All right, next up we have 6-2 work together. And for this one, we have 2 adjustments that we're going to work on. And we have the worksheet. All right, the first one it tells us is that we have $75 supplies on hand on April 30th. That is not our adjustment. If it said we used $75 in supplies, that would be our adjustment. But it's saying that's how much we have on hand at the end of the month. So we need to go to supplies and see how much we had at the beginning of the month. Okay, so we had $228. So to figure out the adjustment, what we have to do is take the $228 and subtract the $75 that we have left at the end of the month, okay, and we get $153. So we're going to credit $153 off of supplies because now we only have 75, and then we're going to come down here to supplies expense and debit that $153. Okay, that's our first adjustment. Okay, there's our credit, there's our debit. All right, let's go for the second adjustment. Value of prepaid insurance at the end of the month, April 30th. So we come down to prepaid insurance. We had $375 in insurance at the beginning of the month, and at the end of the month we have $250. So we subtract and we find out that we used $125 worth of insurance this month. Okay, so I'm going to credit $125 because that's how much we used of insurance this month. And now we have actual insurance expense of $125. Okay, we're going to add, we still have to come up with our balance at the end. And 278 here, 278 here. And we're going to check our answer. And we're good. Okay, that one's pretty easy.